Verb to be, verb to do, and verb to have. Master the three most important English verbs. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Tips, the channel where learning English is simple, practical, and enjoyable. Today we're going to learn the three most important verbs in English. Verb to be, verb to do, verb to have. If you master these three verbs, you will understand thousands of English sentences. They are used every single day in conversations, writing, reading, and listening. By the end of this lesson, you'll know what each verb means, when to use it, how to make positive, negative, and question sentences, common mistakes learners make, daily conversation examples, practice exercises, so grab your notebook. And let's begin. Part 1. What is a verb? A verb is an action word or a state word. Examples: I eat breakfast, she studies English, they play football. Here, eat, studies, and play are verbs, but some verbs don't describe actions. Instead, they describe being, having, helping. Another verb, that's why to be, to do, and to have are called special verbs. Part 2. Verb to be. The verb to be means exist, describe, identify, tell age, tell nationality, tell location, describe feelings. Forms of to be: present, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Past, was, were, past participle, been, using to be. 1. Identity, I am David, she is Sarah, they are teachers. 2. Profession, he is a doctor, my mother is a nurse, we are students. 3. Nationality, I am Ethiopian, she is Canadian, they are Japanese. 4. Age, I am 20 years old, he is 15. My grandmother is 75. 5. Feelings, I am happy, she is tired, they are excited. 6. Location, the book is on the table, the children are outside. My phone is in my bag. Positive sentences: I am ready, you are kind, he is busy, we are friends. Negative sentences: add not, I am not hungry, she is not tired. They are not here. Short forms: I'm not, isn't, aren't. Examples: she isn't home, we aren't late. Questions: move the verb before the subject. Are you busy? Is she your sister? Am I right? Are they ready? Answers: yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Common mistakes: wrong, I happy. Correct, I am happy. Wrong, she teacher. Correct, she is a teacher. Wrong, they students. Correct, they are students. Part 3. Verb to do. Many students think do only means work. Actually, it has two jobs. Job 1, main verb. Job 2, helping verb. Do as a main verb, meaning perform an action. Examples: I do my homework, she does the dishes, they do exercise, we do our work. Present forms: I do, you do, we do, they do, he does, she does, it does. Negative: I do not study at night, she does not like coffee, they do not play tennis. Short forms: don't, doesn't. Examples: he doesn't smoke, we don't watch TV. Questions: do you speak English? Does she drive? Do they work here? Answers: yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Do as a helping verb. Look carefully. Positive: you like coffee. Negative: you do not like coffee. Question: do you like coffee? Notice the helping verb do makes negatives and questions. More examples: positive: she plays football. Negative: she doesn't play football. Question: does she play football? Notice the main verb becomes play. Never say, does she plays football? Wrong, correct. Does she play football? Part 4. Verb to have. The verb to have means possess, own, experience, receive, eat, drink. Relationship forms: I have, you have, we have, they have, he has, she has, it is. Past: had possession, I have a car, she has a laptop, they have a house. Family: I have 2 brothers, she has 1 sister, he has 3 children. Experience: I have a headache, she has a cold. They have a problem. Meals: we have breakfast, they have lunch, I have dinner at 7. Positive: I have a question, she has a new phone, they have many books. Negative: I do not have a car, she does not have time, they do not have money. Short forms: don't have, doesn't have. Examples: he doesn't have a bike, we don't have enough food. Questions: do you have a pen? Does she have a dog? Do they have children? Answers: yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Have v's, has, use, have with. I, you, we, they use has with. He, she, it. Examples: I have a book, she has a book. They have a car, he has a car. Part 5. Comparing the 3 verbs. Verb main, meaning example: to be, state, or identity: I am happy. To do, action or helper: I do homework. To have, possession or experience: I have a car. Part 6. Daily conversation. Conversation 1. John: hi, Mary. Hello, John. How are you? Mary: I am great. John: are you a student? Mary: yes, I am. Conversation 2. Teacher: do you study English every day? Student: yes, I do. Teacher: do you enjoy it? Student: yes, I do. Conversation 3. Friend: do you have a dictionary? You: yes, I do. Friend: can I borrow it? You sure? Part 7. Common mistakes. Wrong: she have a car. Correct: she has a car. Wrong: he don't like tea. Correct: he doesn't like tea. Wrong: are you have a pen? Correct: do you have a pen? Wrong: she is have a book. Correct: she has a book. Wrong: I'm have 2 brothers. Correct: I have 2 brothers. Part 8. Practice quiz. Fill in the blanks. She a teacher. Answer: is they homework every evening. Answer: do I a new phone. Answer: have you happy. Answer: are she play football. Answer: does he 2 sisters. Answer, has we not tired? Answer, are I not have enough money? Answer, do they students? Answer, are she her homework after school? Answer, does part 9, quick review, remember these simple rules? To be describes who someone is, what something is, feelings, age, nationality, and location. Examples, I am happy. She is a doctor. They are at home. To do describes actions and helps make negatives and questions in the present simple. Examples, I do my homework. Do you like pizza? She doesn't drive. To have shows possession, relationships, experiences, and meals. Examples, I have a car. She has a brother. We have lunch at noon. Challenge 4 viewers, write these 5 sentences in the comments. I am, I have, I do every day. My best friend is, my family has. I'll read your answers and give feedback. Outro, excellent work. Today you've learned the 3 most important verbs in English: to be, to do, and to have. These verbs are the foundation of English grammar and appear in countless everyday conversations. Practice using them every day by making your own sentences, asking questions, and speaking out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to learn English with tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.